Never mind, doesn't matter. Anyway, show must go on. Alright, so we don't have mics, so I'll just say, anyone called Michael? First joke of 2018 Meetups, and I've got to screw up slightly. Okay. Hello, welcome to London DevOps. So we've got no mics, so if you want to have a chat with your neighbour or whatever, can you please go out or something? So especially you people at the bar, you'll get told off by Alex there and Jack will come over to you. Okay. So we haven't got mics, so that's fine, that's good, because we're going to have an open session. The second talk is going to be an open session, and that means that we don't have to have someone running around with a microphone for someone who wants to speak and who uses the flow of spontaneity. Okay, who's been to London DevOps before? Quite a lot of people. Cool. And who's not been before? Good, everyone's got hands. Okay, Wi-Fi's up there if you want to use the Wi-Fi. Send some tweets out. Let's get some buzz going around the event. Like I said, it's the first event of 2018, and by the next one we might have even updated the slides. Let's just stop. Yeah, so send some tweets. For those of you who haven't been here before, 2 or 3 talks we have. That's a regular format, 20 minutes-ish, 25 with some questions. And the time that we don't use for talks, we generally have a panel session or something, some other interactive type things. There is lubrication over there for you, should you desire it. We'll have a little couple of minute break between each talk, so if you're getting thirsty towards the end of the talk, go and get another one, no problem at all. So yeah, send some tweets out, things that you hear about. It is a meetup, everyone's here to share information, so share widely, and let's get some buzz going on from there. So here's our code of conduct, fairly straightforward stuff, hopefully. I'm just going to leave that up on the screen just for a minute. This is not something we put in just because we feel we have to, absolutely believe in this.
Can you summarise it?
I can summarise it, it's very, very simple. Don't be a dick. Let's start again. Yeah, so much as I like seeing all you white blokes in the room, it's not quite actually what we really want. The problem with lots of white blokes in the room is that you make slip-ups like I just did very, very publicly. So please try not to do that. There's the policy of the code of conduct. So we are here in this beautiful office building, Secret Escapes. Thanks very much to Secret Escapes for hosting us. We have been here before. Has anybody here come to the last one here? Yeah, great venue, great hosts, great sorts of beer, great everything actually. We really enjoyed it when we came here last year. And we're very pleased to have been invited back again. So thanks to Eric, their CTO, is here. And also Paul is here, and he's going to tell you a little bit about Secret Escapes, what they're doing, and why he might want to talk to you.
So I don't know how many people are aware of Secret Escapes, maybe just a little show of hands who's actually heard of us. Yeah. Okay, most people. So for the benefit of those who haven't heard of Secret Escapes, Secret Escapes was founded in about 2011, towards the end. We've got about 800 people in the company now, so we've had quite explosive growth. We've got a tech team of about 30 people. We're looking to double the size of our tech team. So this is really to support the growth that we're seeing. So we're kind of at a turnover of about 400 million at the moment, I think. And really got plans of world domination in the sort of luxury travel, discounted luxury travel arena. So if you're interested in DevOps, you're a sort of Linux guru, you're a container guru, whatever, come talk to me at the end. We're also recruiting across the tech team, so it's not just DevOps, SRE type roles we're looking for. We're looking for designers, developers, test engineers, all sorts. So if you're interested, come talk to myself or Eric. We're both wearing Secret Escapes t-shirts. Got a couple of other people hanging around. Arby's probably over by the beers. So that's where you can find me. Yeah. If we don't get a chance to talk, go along to our website, careers.secretescapes.com. We've got all our jobs listed there. Thanks.
So yeah, thank you to Secret Escapes for sponsoring, giving us the venue and also supplying us with all the alcohol and non-alcoholic drinks as well. So thank you for that. So we also couldn't be here without prison guys. Put your hand up if you're from prison. Marcus and Alex and someone I don't know, sorry. So yeah, if you want a new job and you don't want to work for Paul, then after you tell Paul to his face that you don't want to work for him, then you're allowed to talk to these recruiters. Actually, that's terrible. No, seriously, prison sponsored the pizzas. Who likes pizza? My 11-year-old doesn't. She wasn't impressed when I said that we're going to have pizza. So sorry, Pops. We'll find some other food later. But yeah, thank you to Prison for sponsoring. Well, since the beginning, actually, it's been 4.5 years we've been doing this thing for. 3.5 years we've been doing this for, and they've been with us through thick and thin, through all the terrible adventures we have trying to get venues and speakers when they're terrible. It's not always terrible. Sometimes it's a delight. But they're here for us. We're also sponsored by O'Reilly. I've got some stickers here, got some O'Reilly stickers. Come out later if you want some O'Reilly stickers. Some cute ones and some less cute ones. Otherwise, Poppy said more for her laptop. And we do a bit of a giveaway as well. We've got some books from O'Reilly as well. So, the second session, when we're talking about container orchestration, all that sort of stuff, the most profound comments that people have, hopefully with some beard stroking, or some chin stroking if you don't have a beard, might give you a book. So thank you to O'Reilly for supporting us. Adaptivist also, that's the company I work for. So that's why I'm wearing orange. We are very orange, even though we're not Dutch. Adaptivist is a Atlassian partner, platinum partner, who uses Jira or Confluence. A bit lucky at Bamboo, pretty much everyone who hates it. Who hates it less because of awesome add-ons like ScriptRun. Come on, Raz, at least you put your hand up, right? Yeah, so we do all that sort of stuff. So if you want to talk about Atlassian stuff and DevOps and that sort of stuff, then talk to me or talk to Chris over there. Say hello, Chris. Nice bow. Very impressive. There's a recent addition to Adaptivist, and I don't like him because he's taller than me. Only joking. Where am I? DevOps guys as well, they help us out with a lot of support, so thank you to them for the support they give us for Meetup. These are your organisers. If you have any comments, if you want to give a talk, I already had one person come up to me say he knows a guy who wants to give a talk, that's great. We can get speakers from lots of companies who will give just evangelist type people to tell us how great things are. Buy our product, by the way, it's sort of DevOps. But we find the best community, the best stories that we have, the best talks tend to come from the community. So that's you lot. So if you've got talks, or if you've got somebody back at the office who's like, I want to talk about something DevOpsy, then get in touch with one of us. Similarly, if you don't know where the toilets are, code of conduct problems, we've got at least 2 meetups without having to enforce the code of conduct, right? Yeah. Which is good. So that hopefully it will be like that tonight. If there are any problems of any description like that, then come and talk to one of us, please. Or just give us general feedback. If you love it, then great. If you don't love it, then talk to Jack. Okay, so upcoming meetups in the community, there's a few things going on. This one's been kind of brewing. We attempted to put it on for a few months, and we actually have put it on because we're quite fully behind this. We thought about threats to UK free speech on the 19th. Back to the more normal type of tech meetups. Actually, we'll have one on the 20th over at Moo. Anyone sign up to that yet? Yeah, a few people. Cool. So you see some familiar faces there from Hashi Corp. Linux in London, one of our good friends, Brian Byrne. He's the most enthusiastic person I've ever seen around the Raspberry Pi. Brilliant. So he's got his meetup, which is a big mix of Linuxy type stuff, which is somehow held together through his enthusiasm. And it's brilliant. I've been to a couple. I'd recommend that on the 21st. If you don't want to go to that, then go to Kubernetes London. Who's using Kubernetes? Yeah, quite a lot of people. Yeah. You do put your hand on it. Oh, you're not. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Leeds DevOps on the 27th, and the London Web Performance Meetup on the 7th of March at the Financial Times. Other highlights coming up. There's also a DevOps Exchange London on. Thank you. Yes, I was thinking it was the 27th. Thank you, whoever said that. On the 27th over at Sainsbury's as well. That only just got announced, which is why it's not on the slides. So I hope you see something there as well. Okay, so we've got 2.5 talks tonight. We're going to start off with Martin from Bill Forward. You probably identify the Bill Forward people. They're here in their lovely contrasting palette of t-shirts. So Martin's going to tell us all about Rancher and using that in production in a bit. Then we're going to have an open session. Who's got an opinion about containers? I can't believe it's only that few people. Yeah, so we're going to have a discussion about containers, which hopefully there'll be enough hooks out of Martin's talk to trigger that. If not, I'll read some quick questions. Discussion going that way. And then we're going to all agree that Bash is awesome. Who uses Bash? Who doesn't use Bash? Put your hand up. Liars. Yeah, it's like that old joke about Internet Explorer has one use, and that's to download other Chrome or Firefox. Tom would say like Bash is one use, and that's to download ZSH. So he's going to talk about that. Ian is also an author. He's written books, one of which is all about Docker. So I'm hoping we're going to have some good fights with it, some good discussions with Ian in the container management thing a little bit later on. That's it. Finally, anyone who's not here? Anybody not here? I've done that joke 7 times and now someone's finally laughing. Everything will go up on our YouTube channel afterwards. We like to share this stuff and put a bit of a story around it because it is valuable to come back to, share with colleagues, that sort of stuff. So I'll go up there on the YouTube channel afterwards. And I think that's the last of the slides. Yes, it is. So that one I'm supposed to show at the end, but it's not begin, so ignore it for now. So let's bring up Martin from Bill Forward.